concerning regulatory framework, we have to make sure that existing and agreed regulatory framework is correctly implemented. So we have to still continue implement the clinical trials regulations, continue implementation of the Falsified Medicine Directive, including the stakeholders platform and the distribution of medicines. And lastly, we should make sure the pharmacovigilance system is working as was designed, because of databases, because of the reporting systems from patients and doctors. So we have all these instruments in place, we should improve them. Finally, we should make sure that some innovations and coming through the digitalization of medicines and the global world, it's also taken into account. And part of the initiatives is to improve the digital leaflets, as package leaflets, and we are preparing a report, commission report will be finalized in this quarter of the year, and hopefully will help us start discussion how to make digital leaflets available to patients, to healthcare providers. Speaking a few words about the international development, I think this year, especially last year, was very important because we're able first to finalize the reform of ICH, which was important reform first because it's open ICH to new members, and including a big country like China, India, Brazil. Secondly, which really helped to build, we believe, a very good model of relations between industry and public authority, which give us kind of autonomy on one hand, but also help work together. And lastly, it's open door for generic industry, and you join ICH as a member, and I think I should congratulate you that you are able also to bring first time your formal bodies to meeting in Osaka. We improve our relations with United States. I mean, the work continues with FDA. Our relations with India as well, they are quite important. There's new opening. India is slowly coming to the multilateral organization like ICH. And finally, we continue work with China, and of course, especially on APIs, export or import from our European end. Both authorities, Chinese and India, are really working with us. Even the crises around GCPs during last year were, I think, well understood, and we managed them together with Indian authorities. So improvement, a lot of interest from international partners. The quality of these relations improved quite a lot, so I hope it will continue, and this year is critical because we after all these reforms, we are coming to practical things, how to structure new organizations, how build the priorities, how help those countries they decided to join organizations like ICH to improve their own work. For European Commission, it's important to be in such meetings, first because we like to hear you, your industry, secondly, hear other stakeholders who are present in these debates, and finally, also learn something, because we should also be open for new ideas, also for critics. So I'm here to hear, to learn, and to take something back home.